o'clock. We've been talking about cooking weeds all the way through the morning, so I thought would be a good idea to try and get more details on this. It's been trialled by Lewes District Council. They've been trialling this new hot foam which kills unwanted foliage. It literally cooks them down to their roots. The company they've been working with is Burley's. They've been using a system called Foamstream. So I went on the Foamstream website. Here's the hard sell.
The thermal blanket created by the foam holds the hot water above the required 57-degree kill zone temperature, long enough to penetrate the plant's waxy outer leaf layer and transfer heat down into the root structure, killing or sufficiently damaging the plant. Due to Foamstream's highly effective kill rate, plants need significantly fewer annual treatments when compared with any other alternative herbicide-free method.
I love videos like that. You know, it's the sort of thing you could watch all afternoon, you know, on a dull day. Anyway, it is a fascinating idea, this, and it's something which is approved by the Soil Association because this is a green way of getting rid of weeds. Andy Frost, Specialist Officer for Parks at Lewes District Council, is with us. Hello, Andy.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So when you see it, what do you actually see when someone's applying this?
What you see basically is a river of foam. The solution comes out of a nozzle. It's obviously steaming, so if it's a cooler day, you get like a mist as well. But you get a foaming white carpet, basically.
Right, and this is hot stuff, is it?
It is. It can be heated up to about 98 degrees. And as you say, it then forms a thermal blanket over the weeds and breaks down the cells in the plant's leaves and kills the plants, or at least severely knocks it out, basically.
If someone's watching it, they'll say, oh, look, all those chemicals, look at all that foam. But I mean, there's something green about this foam, is there?
It is green, yeah. The foam itself is actually provided by putting in palm oil, basically, and that comes from a sustainable source. It's GM-free, so it really is an environmentally friendly solution.
Is it a quick death for the weeds or a slow, painful one?
It all depends on the weeds. We're still trialling it. It's new technology. We're finding that some weeds go over very quickly. You mentioned then in that promo about waxy coated leaves. They tend to take a bit longer, so you do need to perhaps give 2 or 3 different applications before the weed goes off. So learning process, but it is working very well.
Right, so it's green. It sounds with most of the thing, there's a sort of a cost thing. Does this make it more expensive?
It can be, because obviously pesticides are cheap and they're quick to apply, but we've had a really good deal with our contractors, Burley's, because they're very keen to push their environmental credentials as well. So they've actually purchased the machine. They've paid for that. We then hire back their use base, basically, and they're going to go out and promote this in other local councils as well to push the green environmental aspect of them.
Right.
So actually the cost is neutral to the council taxpayers here at Lewes.
Right. There is a sort of a sidebar to this, is there not, about graffiti, which I don't quite understand. You better explain.
Well, because, I mean, when we've got graffiti that needs removal, because the water is hot from the tank, it does tend to remove graffiti a lot better than just purely ordinary pressure washers. So it's not so much the foam in that, it's just the hot water within the pressurised hot water. You use a different lance, gives it a lot of pressure, and that's very good at controlling graffiti, and also for removing chewing gum as well.
Well, there you are. What else? Is there anything this foam can't do?
Very good, yes. I mean, we did look at, we tried other solutions, such as hot water and even electrocution, but this was certainly the best option.
Well, there you are. So you watch out for more foam coming your way. Andy, thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Andy Frost there from Lewes District Council, 14 minutes to...